everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin. Today I want to share with you some of our products you can look at it here. Yes, if you are interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? We packed with a VCI anti-rust bags, and on this part there had the label. On the first line of the label, you can see the Shumatt logos. Actually, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us. We can design the logo, the label, the packaging bags, and so on. For this part, it's product code F00RJ01704, and the application injector model number is 0451201110 and 0451201210 and 0451201156 and 0451201160 and 0451201164. And on this part, it's a QR code and other informations. And okay, let's open it to see the inside. Wow, this is the inside part. Actually, we have two types of our packages, right? And today I'm going to show you this one. And so let's see this one first, okay? You can open it to span it like this way. Okay, the inside part we pack it with oil paper. Wow, that's the valve assembly, right? Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, but also we're selling separate parts. The valve cap, and there has a coating and some letters on it. And this is a valve roll, and we have different size, different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? And okay, so much for today's product introductions. Actually, about our product warranty, we have the 6 months warranty. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. And also, we have the several tips for you. The first tip is if you want to clean it with oil. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you're interested about our product, remember to focus on our channel and follow us, okay? And except that, we also selling the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pump.